Okay, so today we're going to show you how to change the main drive belt on the TS600 and TS600 Pro. So this is the big belt running from the engine here. We've also got another video showing how to change the two head belts as well, but we'll do that one separately for you. So a couple of tools you need: 17mm socket, 17mm spanner, and a 13mm spanner as well. So first of all, we've got to get this cover off. So 17mm. So loosen those with a 17. Cover will lift off. And you'll see you've got the belt in there all ready to go. Now this belt's in good condition, but if you do need to change it, it may have shattered, in which case you want to make sure you clear all of the chaff out and stuff that is contained within here. To loosen the belt off, the engine slides effectively, so you need to make sure these two 13mm are loose to allow the engine to move. So loosen them off, and then you've got the engine tension bolt at the back here, which is this bolt you can see sticking out here. So pop your socket on there. There's also a locking nut here, so you want to make sure you've got a spanner on there. So you should be able to then slide the engine to one side. Gives you plenty of slack on the belts, so you can just run that one off. Put your new belt on, and then the refitment is a reverse, obviously, of disassembly. So wind your belt on, make sure it's sat there nice and securely, and then we tighten these back up here on the back. So then you tighten that up until the belt's got just enough tension on there, like that. So approximately, it's just a normal sort of grip strength. Belts can move in, and then you're good to go. Before you refit the covers, just run them around. Check sure it's all running smoothly. Check your tension there, and we're all good to go. Make sure your bolts are nice and tight here at the back. So you've got your locking nut here. Make sure that one's tight. And then you've got to tighten these three engine retaining ones, just to stop the engine moving. And then refit your cover, tighten the 4 bolts, and you're done.